Guys, Raymond with another video, and we're going to continue on where we left off with financial statement analysis. So it's German materials companies that we left off. Let's just get straight into it. Material, I believe the last video we'd done was on Fuchs Petrolub. There is SE, but I'm not too sure if they're exactly the same. I'm just going to quickly check performance. So they're not. All right, cool. So we're going to do Fuchs. Correct me in the comments if I'm pronouncing wrong, by the way. Fuchs Petrolub SE. So judging by the charts, it's definitely performed well over its lifetime. So almost 100% over 9 years. So that's definitely not the worst. We're gonna skip the company details and look at the figures straight away. Employees are just under 6,000. Market cap is 5.16 billion. PE ratio is 26. So PE ratio is not quite what we're looking for. It's almost 3 times what we're looking for, which is 10. Revenue figure is in the billions, so it's good. It's about half of the market cap. The dividend yield is absent. Earnings per share compared to the share price is not great. It's a very small percentage. The beta is about 63% of the market average, which is definitely good. Anything lower than 1 is really good. Of course, high volatility is good for trading and stuff, but if you're looking for long-term investments, high volatility isn't the best thing. Revenue, 2.38 billion, as mentioned earlier. The net income is 220 million, which is just under 10%, which is good. And the debt to asset ratio is also low. Let's just quickly check the cash flow statement to see how great we're doing in net change of cash. So it doesn't include the current financial year, which is definitely negative. But the previous, they lost 10 million in net changing in cash. 2019, they gained 24 million. The year before, 34. So 58 million gained in the 2 years before the current and the last, but they lost 10 million last year. So overall, about 48 million gained in the last 4 years. We're not including the current financial year because we don't have information. So overall, it's done okay in terms of net changing cash, as compared to the market cap, or better to compare it to the assets, 2.38 billion. I wouldn't say it's the best, but it's better than nothing. So it's definitely positive. So I wouldn't say it's the worst investment. I can definitely categorize it as an investment that you won't be losing anything if you invest your money into this stock. So that is the analysis for Fuchs Petrolub SE, and I'll see you in the next one.